Today we will see how to get the ElevenLabs API just like before. Simply search for ElevenLabs API on Google. Then we will go to elevenlabs.io or directly click on the link that appears for the API. After clicking, we will sign up here. Since you don't have an account, we will sign up. So click on sign up with Google. What we will do is sign up using any one Gmail account. Sign up with any Gmail account, and in ElevenLabs you get maybe 10,000 credits. They give 10,000 tokens for free, and with these free tokens you can create a few minutes of video or a few minutes of audio. You can easily make those videos. So the sign up and onboarding are done. The onboarding page will appear. So when the onboarding page comes up, we just click yes, this is what I need. Is it done? That's it. Just click a few things, then it's done. Here at 5 o'clock, I just provided the script. So after skipping, the dashboard will appear in front of us, and on the dashboard you will be able to see how many credits you have, and from there you can use the API. Look, if I click here, you will see that you have 10,000 free credits, and from here you can click on upgrade to upgrade their package. With the studio package for 10,005 or 30,011, you can get 100,000 credits. So every month you can do this from here. Is there just this API key system here? You just need to click on developer and then simply click on this box. Create the API key from here and grant access to everything. No need for a static key. If you grant all access, then you will be able to use this API as you wish. Then you just need to add this packet here. Click on test to check if it works. If it works, okay, fine, then click there. Now, when you go to new project, you'll see that growth is already here, Oxy is here, Google Gemini is here, everything we added. If you go to audio, you'll see that now Oxy's script B is there, along with 11 level script B, and yes, the LP Lab has also appeared here. You've added it along with Grok, which we mentioned supports English. That's also here now. The image models have also arrived, meaning everything is here, and that's exactly what you wanted. For stock videos, you must add the Pixel API. The Pixel API is added in the same way, and it's unlimited. We'll see that in the next video. Thank you.